Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. So you've got this annoying light showing up, whether it be you just changed the oil and you want it to go off, or you just want it to go off because it's bugging you. It's really easy to do. First, we're going to clear it out just by selecting OK, and you can do that with the little dial pad here on your steering wheel. So we will clear it out, and then we're going to back up like this, again using the keypad on your steering wheel, and then we're going to go down to settings, and then from settings we will go to vehicle, and then after vehicle we will go here to oil life reset, and then right here you can see it says hold OK to reset. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We will hold this, and boom, we are back at 100. So now whenever you start up your vehicle, you're not going to have that annoying light show up on there. You'll just be, good to go. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop them down there in the comments. As always, I appreciate the like, the subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on Reviews and How-Tos.